Three, two, one, go. So, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So, in this video, we have brought you a new project which is a blockchain based voting system. Okay, so what is the specialty of this blockchain voting system? Because in the YouTube, we can able to find plenty of blockchain voting system, but what is the difference over here? See, here we have added one extra feature that like whoever the voter is voting, they'll get a verification OTP. Based on the OTP, they're gonna get verified to be the part of this voting system. That's the one more feature which we have added and which distinguished from other project which is available in the YouTube. All right. So let's understand how this project is going to work. Okay. So this is our simple UI, which is blockchain based voting system. So let's go and start voting system. So when you try to access this system for the first time, you'll get two options, which is login as a user, login as an admin. What is this admin? So what are the features of admin? What are the features of user? We'll see one by one. So as of now, I'll open this admin work here. See, I have opened admin work here. So for admin, there is a login credentials. There are credentials to login. So as of now, we have gave simple credentials work here for admin work here. So I'll just give it directly. So over here like this admin and admin, the same thing which we have gave over here. So this is a dashboard of admin over here. So now let's understand what are the key features of admin. So what are the first feature of admin is add candidates. So what am I add candidates for? Say whoever the participant who gonna be a part of election, who gonna participate in the election, so those candidates will be added by admin. That's the first responsibility of admin. Okay, and here we have gave some description about admin details as well. So what are the features of admin? And validate voters. See who are the users is gonna be a part of this project or part of this system. They need to verify by the admin through a address or a voter ID, something like that. And there's a one more feature called change phase. So what by this change phase means admin has the option to change the phase. Like suppose people can able to vote. That's the first phase, and the result phase and the registration phase. So if the people want to be a part of this system, they need to register. So that we call it as a registration phase. So we'll see that one by one. Okay. So now candidate details, whoever the candidate details will be added, that will be displayed in the candidate details option. And the last one is logout. So for the first time, we log in with an admin. We log in with an admin means we have logged in with an admin. Basically, if you guys know or if you don't know, means everything in the blockchain is like a transaction. So whatever credential you give, but whichever the account you are using, like public address and the private keys, that's the main thing over here. Okay. So we need to log in through a MetaMask by importing your account. Okay, I'll just import it an account, and these are the accounts which are available in through Ganesh. So to not get much more confusion, I'll change this account to as admin because we have logged in as admin, correct? So whichever the first address which you're gonna use in the system, that is considered as an admin account. So since we am starting this now, so no users has no account has been imported. So this is the first account. So first account is considered as an admin account. Okay. So now first we'll go and we'll add a candidate. So let's say a candidate will be, let's say Ironman. All right, Ironman, and party. Let's say team Ironman. Okay, team Ironman. Candidate experience. So let's say 40 years. Oh, sorry. Candidate experience are like it has 10 years. Candidate age is 45, or let's give it as 40. All right. So let's add a candidate. Okay. So here we got a MetaMask confirmation work here, means we need to confirm to make this transaction, means we need to add Ironman to a blockchain network. So and let's click on confirm. Okay. So yes, it's loading. Yes, candidate added successfully. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we'll add a one more. Okay, let's go and see in the candidate details option. So okay, let's add. Yeah, it is. Yeah, here we got Ironman. Candidate party is Team Iron. Okay, so let's add a one more candidate. Let's say Captain America. Okay, Captain America. Okay, Captain America. Party name will be Team Captain. Team Captain. Candidate experience like 70 years. Okay, I'm just joking. Let's keep that 30 years. And age, let's keep it as 50. All right. So add candidate to the system again. So yeah, let's confirm work here. So let's give a confirmation work here. Okay. So confirm. So let's wait for 2 more seconds. Okay, Captain America. Let me comment on for which team you're gonna support. Team Captain America or Team Iron Man. All right. So who are the fans of Marvel? All right. So here I can see if I click on candidate details. Oh, okay, it is loading. So here we have Captain America, Team Captain, and Team Iron Man. Okay. So number of votes is 0 0 because none of the users has been voted yet. All right. So I'll just go for the change phase and I'll provide a phase for. Oh, okay. Already the current phase is registration phase means so people can able to register for this system to be the part of election. All right. So yes, now we'll log in as a user over here. Okay, we log in as a user. Okay. So I'm just opening in a new tab. That's it. So now, if you're a new user for the first time, you need to register to be a part of the system. So I'll just click on sign up button over here. So sign up, and here I'll just click on sign up, and the name I'll give it as Doraemon. Okay, Doraemon. So mail ID, make sure your mail ID has to be proper. Okay, mail ID has to be proper. Because for this mail ID only, you're gonna receive a OTP. Okay. So I have this mail ID. In the password, I'll give a password over here. I'll just sign up. Okay. So I'll just log in quickly. So mail ID which I have used now. So like this at gmail.com and the password which I have given. So sign in. So I have been signing over here. As you can see, these are the responsibility of a voter. So this is the dashboard of a voter or the people or the user. Okay. So register yourself means you have been a part of the system, but if you need to be a part of election means you need to register yourself. How? So let's go over here. So let's click on register yourself. So now voter ID means you need to know your voter ID as well. So normally everyone will get a voter ID, right? So that voter ID you need to register in this particular system. Okay, means this is an electronic means through online you're gonna vote it through your what through your voter ID you need to register yourself in this system so that you can be a part of election means you can able to vote. Okay, so already I gave an voter ID over here. My vote I have just for example my voter ID is ABC123 which is there in the system as well. So this is here you need to mention your public address. So normally we have Instagram, we have username, right? Same thing in a blockchain. If you are if you are a part of a blockchain project means obviously you'll be having an address. So I'll take an address from the Ganache itself. Consider this is your actual address. So means address of this particular user. So register. Okay, OTP sent to your register mail ID. So I'll just check my mail. Okay, I'll just check my mail. OTP has to be there. Okay, as you can see here, I have received a OTP over here. As you can see, 2472 is my OTP. Okay, 2472. I just enter a wrong OTP over here. So let's say I'll enter wrong OTP over here. See, OTP verification is failed. So I'll give a correct OTP now. 2472 is my correct OTP. So verify. So your verification is done. Okay, your verification is done completely. All right. So now you can go for your cast your vote option. Cast your vote means you have been a part of the system, but unless admin get confirm means admin confirm your address, you cannot able to cast and vote. Okay. So I'll go for admin work here. See validate voters. So whoever the users is validating means registering themselves. So that address will come over here. So admin is going to check this address and he is gonna give this address and add this portal to a system. So admin has the responsibility work here. Got it? So now I'm gonna give a confirmation work here like this. Form just like this, and we'll get a pop-up means order has been validated. So we need to wait until that gets completed. Okay. Yes, validation is done. All right. So now I'll go to the user work here and I'm going to refresh. So now user is eligible to cast an vote. Okay. So now see, this is the registration page which has been opened, and as you can see, you can able to see any candidates because please wait for voting phase. So now admin has the responsibility to change the phase. So now what we are going to do, we'll change the phase. As you can see, it is in the registration phase, right? So now we need to change it into a voting phase. Okay, I'll just change this phase. Change and ever confirm. Okay, confirm. So now let's refresh to check this whether it is in which phase. So as you can see, current phase is voting phase. Now voters can able to vote. Okay. So now we'll go with the user work here. And suppose if the user want to cast and vote means they need to log in with their particular account. Since we have logged in as an admin before, so let's log in through a MetaMask wallet as a user. Okay, let's click on MetaMask. I have clicked on MetaMask. It is for loading. It is taking time. Okay, yeah. So here I'll just import a new account work here. So import and connecting this to this particular site. Connect and a small refresh so that everything get refreshed one. So what are the different candidates we have? We have Ironman and a captain. Obviously, I belong Ironman. So I'll vote for Ironman. Okay. So Ironman. So age is 40, experience is 10. So I'm gonna vote for Ironman. Okay. See, from the account which I have imported, so it was mentioned as account 3, right? So I'll just show you again. So now you're gonna see from your account you'll be 14. Means so you have cast vote successfully. Now the question is, see, can I able to vote it again? Okay, let's try to vote it again. Means for every user, he can able he should has to vote only once. Correct? That's the actual thing which works, right? So I'm just trying to vote for the Ironman again, and obviously I got an MetaMask pop up, but there is a catch over here. So let this MetaMask gets loaded, but you cannot able to confirm over here. Confirm over here. As you can see, it is showing we are not able to estimate the gas because you have finished your round. Means you have finished your chance. Means your chance is only once to vote. So that is finished. So you cannot able to confirm it over here. So correct. So let's reject this. Okay. So now you can able to see the results over here. But since it is in the voting phase, you need to wait until the admin change this to a result phase. All right. So now I'll go for an admin over here and I'll change this account to an admin so that I'll change the phase from voting phase to result phase. Okay. So that people can able to see the result. So I'll just log in as an admin quickly. So I have logged in as an admin, just a quick refresh and I'll change the phase over here. So change the phase from voting phase to now as you can see over here, the current phase is result phase. Now the user can able to view the results. So let's log in as a user quickly so that we can able to view the result. Okay, so I'll just click on MetaMask over here and let's change the account quickly over here from admin to normal account 3, which was the user account. So I'll just quickly refresh it over here so that I can able to view the result. As you can see, the result is who got the total number of highest vote means is the winner. Since we have registered with only one user, which is the one person has casted the vote, which is for Ironman. So the winner is Ironman. So this is all about this e-voting application. So if you like this voting application or blockchain voting system, means you can able to get this project. So how we can able to get this project? There is a mail ID is provided in the description. You can go there and you can contact us. We'll reply as soon as possible. Suppose if you want to make any other project, means you can mail over here, or you can send abstract for us, so that we can able to make a project for you. All right, so we'll do many projects, major projects, final projects, everything, mobile application, everything. So you can contact us through mail ID. Suppose if you have any questions or any doubts, you can mail us, or you can put a question in the comment section. We'll reply you. All right. So that's all for this video. Until then, so we'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Bye bye.